windshield fitters. I have here a 2015 Ford Transit Connect. The customer said they never gotten the windshield replaced before, and it's leaking all over the inside. So first thing I did was check out the brand. It says Ford, so it's never been per se replaced. But check this out. So if we're gonna push in the inside the windshield here, it's not even bonded to the body at all. And that's, you can see the clips are broken. So this windshield has been removed before and reinstalled, just not correctly. Probably they didn't use primer or they didn't clean that properly. So that's what's going on. So the whole thing on the top, it's not even bonded to the body, which is very dangerous because that's what holds the passenger airbag in an accident. The airbag reflects from the windshield, deploys from the dash, hits the windshield and goes in. So if the windshield's not installed correctly, you know, the airbag's not gonna work properly. So we're gonna have to remove this, clean it, and reseal the whole windshield, just so it stops leaking and makes it safer for the customer. So after taking the windshield out, you can clearly see there's no primer at all on the glass. And this is why the glue, the urethane, did not stick. So guys, you gotta be using primer. Only glass. So to get the windshield installed, we have to clean the windshield very good. I'm gonna show you guys how you do that properly. I decided to use a new windshield for this one. That way I can show you how to properly discontaminate a windshield. So the windshield, right where the urethane goes, it's going to be very contaminated from people touching it. You can see fingerprints right there. It's going to be oils from your hands, people touching it. So we have to use gloves, clean gloves, new gloves. You can see right there. Before you touch that windshield, you can see all that contamination. The lint-free shop towel, and we're using GC 800 made by Dow Chemical. It's foaming glass cleaner. And the good thing about foaming glass cleaner, it shows you where the contamination is. You can see where people have grabbed the windshield and then where the dirt is. So I start by wiping down the area where the urethane goes. First, one way, so that way you don't take dirt back in. Flip it, see the dirt right there, and then now you do the inside. Now we're gonna use Better Braid F1. This cleans the windshield pretty good because I use Dow products. So you're just gonna get a little bit, and shop towel, lint-free shop towel. So you only need a little bit of this. You don't need that much. Just put it all the way around. I don't like to put it too close to any moldings because it gets in between the molding and the glass, and it's hard to clean. This will remove any dirt or oils from your hands. You can see there's dirt, so you want to flip it. Right where the urethane goes. And I like to fold it again with a clean side until you remove all that Better Braid F1. And then you want to clean it again with glass cleaner. Before I clean it with glass cleaner, I like to blow all these little particles. Get a new shop towel and your glass cleaner. 5504. Make sure you check the expiration date. I use usually single prime sticks. You want to put it right where the urethane goes. Also make sure you clean pinch well before trimming the old urethane. Make sure to get all that dirt off so it doesn't fall the new urethane and contaminate it. Make sure to check the expiration date on your urethane and primer. Make sure you're not using expired products.